Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Comrade Igboayaka or Igboayaka, the National President of Ohaneze Youth Council. Test of a press conference by Ohaneze Youth Council, led by Comrade Igboayaka or Igboayaka, on this day, 15th of February 2022, at NUJ Press Center, Owerri, Imo State. Gentlemen of the press, I welcome you all to this special press conference, which centers on the need for Nigeria President of Southeast Extraction 2023, with the theme, Nigeria President of Southeast Extraction, we shall fight like Gowon to keep Nigeria one. In view of the 2022 presidential primary election, the Apex Youth Wing of Ohaneze Igbo worldwide, Ohaneze Youth Council, has caused caution the leadership of All Progressive Congress APC and People Democratic Party PDP to destine any conspiracy to deny Southeast presidential aspirant tickets in the forthcoming primary election in 2022. We call on the ruling political party APC and the main opposition party PDP and other frontline political parties who are lovers of equity, fairness and justice to seek their presidential ticket to Southeast. In the history of Nigeria, General Gowon remained a symbol of unity, apart from Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, who laid the foundation of Nigeria unity. Therefore, in the same spirit, Igbo youth worldwide will not hesitate to fight to finish in their quest to maintain the legacy of the former Governor General Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe and the former head of state General Yakubu Gowon. Hence, sustenance of Nigeria unity is concerned. Undoubtedly, General Gowon fought with everything within his disposal in 1967-1970 to keep Nigeria one. To this effect, every necessary arrangement has been made both in Southeast, South-South, and other 25 states in Nigeria, where Igbos are the second largest populated tribe, to stage a mass-based resistance against any politician or any political party that will make any move to deny a Southeasterner the presidential ticket. We will massively shake Nigeria for the sake of the unity of this country.